All right, so these are my separated tomatoes, but I actually got them from over here in these flats. They're called 1020 flats, and there's about 50 cells in there. I'll show you how you can separate tomatoes. So all I'm doing is I'm trying to get to the side where I'm not going to disturb the roots as much, and I'll pull it up. So that came pretty easy because they're kind of young. And what you don't want to do is you just want to separate it gently, and they just come apart, right? So they're still good. And you just put this in here, and you want to see the stalk, how it's kind of long. You want to go ahead and do it probably to right there. That way it will give you more roots. There you go. Stronger roots equals better plant. So I'm going to do the same thing. There we go. So I'm going to do one more. I'm just going to take this right here. And I just put a finger in. I drop it in. I push it down gently. And then you can see that it has the dirt's not touching the leaves, but it has a lot of room to grow.